Stella, you got a special guest today. Who do you invite to the show? Let's see. Who's this? Show him to the camera. Who is this?
Penguin.
Penguin. Does he have a name?
Perry.
Perry the Penguin. He looks pretty neat. So how long have you known Perry? Hmm? Oh, there he is. Penguin butt. Penguin butt. Perry, your butt is in the way. What's he doing, Nana Boo Boo? What's he doing, Nana Boo Boo on us? Perry, I thought you were a polite penguin. He's very soft.
My Bobby.
Well, you mean Daddy's Bubby?
Yeah, my Bobby.
Oh, Daddy's Bubby?
My
Where's my Bubby? Bubby! Okay, let's show Bubby too. Bubby should get equal billing, if not higher.
Penguin butt.
Airtime.
Penguin butt.
Penguin butt and Bubby. So you want to tell us about Bubby and Perry? Are they in your room when you sleep?
I can't see it.
Yeah, I can. Are Bubby and Perry in your room when you sleep?
Yeah.
Do they stay with you in your bed and get wrapped up under the blanket? Yeah. Do they wake you up sometimes?
Yeah.
How do they wake you up?
They cry.
Oh, they cry. That's a bummer. Look at those feet. Oh, stinky feet. Oh. Good thing this isn't odor vision. What are you trying to do? Okay, let's say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, Kristen.
And who else? Who else you want to say bye-bye to? Okay. Bye-bye.